In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase a deployment capacity inside of Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to upgrade your command center. So you need to be level 10 or town center level 10 basically to get your command center. So once you're level 10, go ahead and build this and then keep upgrading it, and you're going to go ahead and increase your squad deployment capacity and rally capacity each upgrade. So I'm going to upgrade this, and now I'm going to use a speed up here, and then if I upgrade it again, you're going to see it's going to keep increasing the deployment capacity. Now another thing what we can do is also go to our research or our academy building here and research. Then basically go down the list and look for anything that has march size or deployment capacity or troop formation in either growth or battle tabs. Complete those upgrades to unlock the higher troop limits. Now another thing we can try is level up your commander or hero. So by leveling up your commander or hero, unlock specific talent or skills like march capacity times X% will increase deployment size. We can also use equipment or boost, so equip gear or artifacts that give march size or troop capacity bonuses. Some items or events offer temporary boosts like 10% plus march capacity for a few hours. Now another thing is to go to your backpack and now basically look for items or buffs inside of your inventory for march capacity increase or troop deployment buff items and activate them before big battles or rallies.